Today on Taste Test, we are tasting weird celebrity pregnancy cravings. Zach, do you have any idea what we are in store for today?
I'm assuming we're gonna have like the classic like pickle ice cream.
Pickle sandwich ice cream,
yeah,
ice
maybe
cream
some
sandwich.
sort of like peanut butter, maybe like a crunchy, salty,
yeah,
sweet
like a salty sweet combo for sure.
I'm not sure. I feel like I usually hear pickles.
Pickles.
All right, so here are the celebrities we have for today.
Okay, so we have Kourtney Kardashian.
The least interesting Kardashian, guys. Don't forget it. Alicia Keys.
I think this is Mila Kunis.
We have Blake Lively.
Blake Lively.
And Bahati Prince Lou.
But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network. Just click right over here.
Is it cherries and a banana?
A grilled banana.
And roasted cherries.
Okay,
That actually made me more excited.
let's do it.
Oh, it's a lot of goo.
It's squishy.
It's healthy-ish. I mean, this banana kind of tastes like baby food, so it's like, what is your baby gonna eat?
Yeah.
You would know by trying this banana.
I hate it. I hate it so much.
Alicia Keys.
I don't know, I think it's all a healthy play. I'm gonna say Bahati.
I'm gonna say healthy and crazy, and healthy and crazy, I'm gonna go with Kourtney Kardashian.
I'm gonna go with Bahati.
A cheese.
Wait, is
oh,
it pickle?
cheese. That's a pickle.
Pickle! I was right!
You're so
I said
good at this,
pickle
Zach.
and banana.
Yeah, when you get pregnant, your cravings will
Let me
be.
mansplain pregnancy cravings to everyone.
No dressing though.
No, very dry.
Very dry. But I could see like just normally eating this, you
There's
know?
something safe about this.
I'm gonna save the rest of this for lunch.
I love it. Whoever you are, keep eating these.
We'll be friends with you. I think Mila Kunis would.
I'm gonna go with Mila Kunis also.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with Mila Kunis. I don't know. She just seems like a basic girl who just wants basic food.
Capital B basic or lowercase b?
Like lowercase.
Oh, she's like a basic.
Yeah,
okay.
like chill girl. Like
Okay. For the same reasons,
yes.
Blake Lively.
Ah, okay.
Apples with chili powder?
Tagine?
Tagine. Ooh.
Tagine.
Ooh, that's
I'm gonna like this
fun.
combo. This is what we were talking about, the salty sweet sort of combo.
Spicy, a little bit of spice.
Spicy.
Is it too spicy? Should I take a tiny bite?
I like this.
I like this too. This is also like super simple.
If I had some weird hormonal need for like sweet and spicy,
Yeah.
this totally does the trick.
I'm gonna go Kourtney.
This is such a sensible pregnancy thing, and I think Alicia Keys is super sensible.
I think I'm gonna go with Alicia Keys.
Bahati.
What's
This
on
is like-
top here?
Is that like some shade?
No,
wait, is
it's
this
sauerkraut?
Or is vanilla bean ice cream with sauerkraut? I can get into this.
I don't get paid enough to eat this.
I would eat this for free.
I'll do a little vote changeroo. I'm gonna do Blake for the sandwich. I'll do Mila for this.
I think Kourtney Kardashian heard somewhere that pickles and ice cream were a pregnancy craving, but like got it a little wrong.
Put Mila Kunis there, and then I'll put Bahati Prince Lou there.
I'm gonna go with Blake Lively, mainly because Kourtney Kardashian only doesn't eat ice cream. Okay, so this is pickles and ice cream.
I'm happy where I landed with the person I have left.
There's something else in here. Is
I
it
have to do
just
the-
cinnamon ice cream?
The combo together is a little odd. You know, I'm not pregnant, I don't know, I'm not judging, but it does feel a little wacky for me.
Pumpkin! It's pumpkin!
Is it pumpkin?
It's hand-churned pumpkin, seasonal pickle.
That's Kourtney Kardashian. For
That's
you.
a little bit higher maintenance than my person that I have left.
I think it's Blake Lively.
I have
Oh, you
Alicia
have
left.
Keys. Oh, interesting.
And I don't think it's Alicia. I'm gonna take Blake from there and I'm gonna bring her here.
I'm pretty confident with my last choice of Kourtney Kardashian. I know I said earlier she doesn't eat ice cream, but she would be specific.
Okay, so I'm gonna swap Blake with Mila, but I think Mila is okay with the cheese, and I think Blake wants that hand-churned ice
Kourtney
cream.
Kardashian.
Grilled banana, roasted cherries. I guessed Bahati for this one, and you guessed Alicia Keys.
It's Alicia Keys.
Hey.
We're Alicia Keys.
Oh, I was close. I want to say that I was close because I chose the other fruit
would have never
version for Alicia Keys.
The next one is a sandwich with cheese and pickles. And we both guessed Mila Kunis.
But it's wrong because it's Kourtney Kardashian. Kourtney Kardashian.
Oh!
I guessed Alicia Keys because she makes sense to me. And you guessed Bahati, which I think is also a good guess for the same reason.
It's Bahati.
You're so good at this.
Bahati Prinsloo.
She's just like a supermodel, right? So she probably only eats apples.
Well, that's what I was thinking here.
Yeah.
Next, we have ice cream and sauerkraut. And you guessed Kourtney Kardashian, and I guessed Blake Lively.
This is Mila Kunis. Mila Kunis!
Yes!
Wait, do we both get it?
Oh, and then this last one we have here is the wonderfully hand-churned pumpkin ice cream and an artisanal pickle. And I have guessed Blake Lively, and you guessed Kourtney Kardashian.
Blake Lively.
Blake
Yes!
Lively.
Hey, look, we got 2, Zach.
Well, it's Blake Lively, so Liz, you're right.
Hey, good job, Liz.
Did you learn anything new?
It definitely makes me want to have a baby because if my wife chooses to have any sort of weird tasting combination, I feel like I'd be really into it.
The cheese sandwich and pickles was good, but I'm not surprised by that.
I'm learning if you're pregnant, pickles. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below for what we should try next on Taste Test.